What is science? Science is the pursuit of knowledge by making observations about the world around us. Hi, my name is Mr. Maraver, and I am the science teacher at Dunedin Highland Middle School. In this class, we'll pursue this knowledge by making hypotheses about our observations and testing them, creating evidence to back up our ideas. In science class, my aim is to transform students into persons that can think critically and make informed decisions for a lifetime. The number one guideline for our classroom is respect. Showing up to class prepared, that's respecting others. Listening while others are talking is respecting others. Keeping your hands to yourself is respecting others. Our second guideline is do your best. Your best is all anyone can ask and all you can ask of yourself. In our classroom, students will be treated fair and equitably. Students will have plenty of opportunities to correct behavior that violates our guidelines of respect and giving your best. Some of these include multiple verbal warnings, seat change, student-teacher conference, phone calls home, and referrals. In any classroom, learning can only happen when we have a culture of mutual respect and understanding, and I look forward to a phenomenal school year as we make new relationships and learn all there is about science. Thank you.